All right, Kettle Lakes. This was always an easy one for whoever drew this card out of the hat when we were doing it. They're pretty straightforward. Take a big old hunk of ice that fell off the glacier, get it buried in the sediment that is left behind by the glacier, and when it melts, it's going to leave behind a big hole. And if that hole remains filled with water from the melted ice and from whatever groundwater is going on in spring fed, then you're going to get these big round lakes, Kettle Lakes. So these diagrams are all very typical of what you would see in the regions. I don't think any of these are the exact regions one, but they're very unique. They're very easy to spot. Kettle Lakes, pretty easy. In New York, we've got a couple down by Song Mountain. If you've skied there and seen, let's see, Tully, yeah, these guys around here, a whole bunch of Kettle Lakes. And if we go to my former hometown of Minneapolis, Minnesota, Minnesota is called the land of 10,000 lakes. Whatever was going on here, it was very conducive to dropping these things off. So there's like 12,000, 13,000 something lakes in Minnesota. There's lakes everywhere, wherever you go. These small round lakes, they're pretty shallow. There's a decent sized one. But, the city's built around them. I lived over in this neighborhood here. And these small round lakes from ice chunks. All right, I think they're pretty easy to spot. I don't think that'll be one of the easier ones. So it's a big hole in the ground, so I'm going to call it erosional. Small, round, shallow lakes. You go south down into Iowa from here. There are kettle holes, and long term, those lakes in Minnesota, may not make it because they were all over Iowa too. But there's still holes there. I don't know where to find them, Tully, or don't fill that out. Doesn't really matter. Made from big ice chunk. There you go. Very technical here. All right, good. Don't worry, we're going to skip some of these or condense some of these. I appreciate your patience. You're doing great. We're getting there.